Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video, I'm gonna talk about something I've been struggling for multiple times. It's regarding packages. It was clear. So basically, for example, if I have this kind of structure where I have like API, build, config, this environment here, and this is my tree, the directory tree. Here I have the main file, main script, and for example, I wanna access from API crypto.com to CryptoPy, and here I have the function to get like the crypto price. Same about what else? Yeah, as well have like stock is like in one of my projects, and I've been struggling for quite a while to get the, for example, data, right? And here the interesting thing, it said cannot find reference config in it. So as you may know, have to have init for for every directory to access this package and the different sub packages. For example, from here I want to access this one, and from config I want to access here I have weather API, and I have like all in env them saved. And when I used to check it before, I had like I think the issue that multiple people come through and don't really are able to find the solution. So for example, if I run Python, I'm now in the API, the directory, and I want to get the where is it? Crypto. Gonna make it bigger. Yeah, here I pass everything. Here I have my API key, and I have to get the API key for the crypto API. And if I run here, attempting relative import with no known parent package. So what does it mean? Like it basically means that it cannot find it because it requires like a parent package. There's not a lot of information online regarding. It's quite abstract, and they often actually ask for what was it? Yeah, they ask for like maybe making and it's like full of baloney. You don't need it. So, but if you know, for example, you're not gonna run directly from here, you don't have to worry about this one. And even the error that is highlighting here, it doesn't matter. For example, I remove it, and then it obviously checks here. When I go 2 levels back, see, it shows I'm inside it, but for some reason, it still shows like that. If, for example, I take like that, it's gonna show that attempting a relative input with no known parent package. So what's the deal? Because here, for example, it shows everything that's required. I'm going one back. I find the config directory. I get the config file script, and then I import this one, my API keys. And the thing is that if you have like structure like this, only thing you have to do is go back and just Python main. No, yeah, I even come across it time to time. Where is it? Let me see if it's gonna work like that. No. You can see main script. And the funny part here, it still shows cannot find a reference config file in init. Because usually we always just pass in init, and the rule of thumb that is gonna fix it, or we create this yeah, new script from relative import, or use a OS module. Actually, not even using them here. But if you know that as I mentioned before, that this is your main script that you're gonna run it from, just run it here, and you're gonna get everything that you require. Here I'm gonna as well add additional one because I saw like a lot of get get. Same applies for this one. Get open price, and it's from stock. Here again it shows like squiggly lines. Here I'm gonna add two, and retrospect is correct, right? But if I'm gonna run here again, relative imports beyond top level package because it goes above higher, and now I'm gonna remove it. Here for me, this I use a PyCharm, JetBrains PyCharm. It shows it doesn't exist, cannot find it. But when I run from here like that, here, I got the price of Tesla. And I was sure that there was a simpler way, and there is. If you have like a main and you import, as I implied, from any of these directories, and then run it from there, because it's gonna get it from any uh, package level directory. I hope this video helped you, and see you on the next one.